To create a bill of material, first navigate to the BOM page in the workspace. Then, select the New button in the top right corner and assign it a name. Now select from the available templates. The default template, which is set at the company level, will appear automatically. We have the option to create a BOM using files from the Vault, an Excel file, or an existing BOM that was previously created in Bild. For this tutorial, we will use the default template and select files from our Vault. Next, click Continue and choose the files that you want to include. Click Continue again and select between the available configurations, which will appear in this drop-down. Any linked children files are automatically included, and we can see the complete BOM populated here, along with an in-app notification of its creation. This feature eliminates manual data entry and automatically captures updates, helping to streamline the BOM process.